Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today is Saturday and I thought that since I have an exam on Tuesday, I'm gonna film like a short like study vlog, I would say. But like through the weekend, so on Saturday, which is today, Sunday and Monday. So for now, I just woke up. I think it's about 10:30. I didn't wake up now, but I woke up a while back. So now I'm gonna make my bed. I did my skincare, as you guys already saw. My hair looks so greasy, and please excuse the massive pimple on my. Ugh, God, I hate it. Anyways, so I'm gonna, yeah, make my bed, do a little bit of journaling, or maybe I will take my journal to the city center with me because I am gonna go to the city center because it's Saturday and I need to get groceries because I don't have any groceries. So yeah, we will go grocery shopping and then I will come back and I think it'll already be lunchtime by then, so I will make like something to eat and then I shall start studying for the exam I have. So let's get on into the video. I usually would never ever do like makeup to go grocery shopping, but this pimple is just getting a little out of hand, and since I'm filming I don't want to keep seeing it on my face, so I'm just gonna conceal it. I'm generally not like this, but okay. Of the excess makeup content creator now. So I'm done with that now, and I'm also already ready, but I do realize that I missed a bus. So I am just going to like do some dishes and wait for the next bus. And then we head to the city center. See, it looks pretty, like it's not as bright as it was in the first clip. I hate how my skin's looking right now. But anyways, see you guys when we go grocery shopping now, I think. I am back after putting in my laundry. It is probably going to take like about 45 minutes more. Then we go move the stuff into the dryer, and I will, by that time, I will empty out all the groceries that I got because I didn't do that earlier. And I will start studying a little bit. So I'm getting a little sleepy now, which I shouldn't be because I didn't wake up super early, but it is what it is. It really do be like that sometimes. I'm gonna continue studying. I filmed my part of the video for my mom's birthday, and after I do one more study session, I will edit that video and maybe take a break and like shower and everything, and then I'll do one more session and then we cook dinner. I don't know why I felt the need to chug down the chai like it's a vodka shot, but it's done now, so I don't have to put it on my bed near me, so it's fine. I put salt in my bowl and I didn't mix it, and I ate from the top. Oh my god.
ये देखिए ये
Dude, it didn't even heat up properly. What are you doing?
ठीक है, क्या कर सकते
उसको छोड़ना होता है थोड़ी देर के लिए एक तरफ.
देखिए हमारे हेड शेफ हमारी जो
How does it taste?
सही है अच्छा है वाह
This is for the vlog.
ओ
Good morning, besties. It's the next day, and I mean, I was supposed to go to the library and start studying, but when I woke up, I had like a really bad body ache, and I was feeling super, super tired and nauseous. So I was like, yeah, that's not gonna happen. So I just stayed in bed for like a few, a few hours. And I fell asleep again. I woke up, I did my skincare and everything now, and I'm thinking to eat something, but I don't feel like eating, but I think I should. Like, I'm gonna eat one croissant, and then I'm gonna go to the boba place downstairs because it stays open till a little later than the library, so I'll just be there and work, because I don't think if I'm in my room and I'm feeling sick I will work, because haha, for obvious reasons I'll just end up taking a nap, and I really, really need to study. So yeah, I always make a joke that, I fall sick like once a year, and I feel like it's coming. It's coming. It's here. She's here. But anyways, see you guys at the boba place. Guys, look at that. It's a double rainbow. Oh my god. It's my favorite thing to see. Oh, it's such a pretty day. So I got back from the boba place. I had a call with my friends, and I ate dinner during the call, and I did my skincare during the call. And after that, I studied a little bit. And then I was like, I want to drink something. So I made chai. And now I'm gonna get back to studying again. See you guys in some time if I'm doing something exciting, which I'm probably not gonna be doing, because that's just life. But see ya tomorrow, probably. Yeah, I think. Or maybe I will. If I end up staying up late, then I shall vlog a little bit more. It is the next day. I slept at around 2:33. Not a very good time to sleep when you're sick. But yeah, I woke up around 9:30, 10-ish. I ended up not going to the library because I was not feeling my best. So I just kind of studied in the morning from my room. Then, because I was having like really bad body ache, I took a Panadol and I took a nap, which I woke up from now. And now it is like 3, so I need to like. I'm probably going to be staying up tonight, so that's going to be in the vlog, because tomorrow is the exam and I need to really like revise everything and like be done with it. So yeah. It's 11 p.m. I have my exam tomorrow at 10. So my exam's in less than 12 hours. Love that for me. But I still have a lot to do. So I am probably going to pull an all-nighter. which is gonna suck because right after the exam I also still have a class. Because so I'm gonna take a hot shower, make a coffee, and get my shit together basically and continue studying because I cannot waste any more time. Oh, I don't want to do this. Moved down to the floor because I know if I sit on my bed and study right now, it's not going to happen. So I'm sitting on the floor. I'm gonna have a constant food because my cramps are coming, and I'm going to have this absurdly huge cup of coffee. Let me just show it to you guys. Like, बिल्कुल जगह नहीं छोड़ी है मैंने. Fuck, the cup is as big as my face. Okay. Anyways, so we're doing that. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna continue studying now. My lashes look so nice. Hey besties, so I've decided to end the vlog here. It is about 3 a.m. I'm not gonna stop studying as of now. I am taking a short break because I got a little hungry. So I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna make another coffee and continue to study. But I thought like the vlog was getting a bit repetitive, so I'm just gonna end it over here. Wish me luck for the exam, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.